Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do this simple origami bag. For this I'll be taking 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper and creating a plus crease, keeping the color side on the top. Now flip the paper and bring all the corners to the center point. Divide this length into 3 equal portions by folding it zigzag like this. Make a small pinch and then keeping that point as reference, create the creases. Now horizontally also create the creases in the same way. Now open these two triangles and fold the module into half horizontally. And make the creases only in the ends like this. Now hold the module and then lift this portion and then bring it to the center crease like this and make a crease. Same thing on the other side. Follow the same steps on this side too. Here you can see a triangle. We have to fold it into half like this. The same thing on the other side. Folding the triangle into half. And now one more time we are folding into half. The same thing is repeated on the other side too. Now these two will become the handles and we can fix it like this. You can also use little bit of glue over here to fix the handle firmly. Now origami bag is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.